Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products with expertise and a critical eye. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to repair, soothe, and hydrate. Philosophy Hope in a Jar Barrier Restore Cream. If you have dry or sensitive skin, this might just be the moisturizer you've been waiting for. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. The Philosophy Hope in a Jar Barrier Restore Cream is marketed as an intensely hydrating moisturizer, specifically formulated for dry, sensitive skin. It boasts a powerful combination of HA+ complex, Cica, and Ceramides, ingredients known for their skin-soothing and repair properties. This cream is designed to help restore the skin's natural barrier, making it perfect for those struggling with moisture loss, irritation, or sensitivity. First off, let's talk about the ingredients. The HA+ complex, which stands for hyaluronic acid, is a key player in hydration. It draws moisture into the skin and holds it there, ensuring that your skin feels nourished without that greasy, heavy feeling that some moisturizers can leave behind. Next, Cica, or Centella asiatica, is a soothing ingredient that's been gaining popularity in the skincare world, especially for its ability to calm irritated skin and promote healing. Ceramides are the building blocks of your skin's protective barrier, so their inclusion here is crucial for keeping moisture in and environmental stressors out. All of these ingredients are blended together to offer an effective solution for sensitive skin. Now, let's talk about the experience of using the product. I've been testing this cream over the last few weeks, and it's been a great addition to my routine, especially as the weather starts to shift. The texture is a nice balance between thick and creamy, but still absorbs quickly into the skin. I was particularly impressed by how it feels upon application. It immediately leaves the skin feeling plump and nourished, not oily. It sits well under makeup, which is a huge plus for anyone who likes to layer products but still needs their skincare to provide a solid foundation for makeup. In real-world testing, this cream did exactly what it claims to do. On days when my skin was feeling especially dry and tight, it immediately relieved that discomfort and left my face feeling smooth, hydrated, and balanced. It's a great option for anyone dealing with dry patches or irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. I used it in the morning and evening, and each time, it felt like a mini skin reset. But, like any product, there are a couple of things to consider. While the hydration it provides is exceptional, if you have oilier skin, this might feel a bit heavy, especially in the warmer months. It's definitely better suited for those with dry or dehydrated skin. Also, for those with very sensitive skin, be cautious if you're prone to reactions to Cica or other active ingredients. As for the value, the Philosophy Hope in a Jar Barrier Restore Cream is on the pricier side, but when you factor in the quality of ingredients, especially the HA+ complex, Cica, and Ceramides, it feels justified. You're paying for high-quality, dermatologist-approved ingredients that deliver noticeable results for dry and sensitive skin. However, if you're on a budget, there are definitely other products in a similar price range, like the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, which also contains ceramides and offers solid hydration. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy. The jar is a decent size, and the design feels premium. That said, if you're sensitive to jar packaging in general, you may want to consider a pump dispenser, as it can be less hygienic to dip your fingers into the cream repeatedly. Now, let's talk longevity. This moisturizer is designed to be used daily, and I've found it to last quite a while, as you don't need much to cover the entire face. I've had this jar for a month, and it still looks like there's plenty left, making it a solid investment in the long term. Is it a game changer? It certainly is for those with dry, sensitive skin. The combination of ingredients is thoughtful and effective, offering both immediate hydration and long-term barrier repair. For those who have struggled with moisturizers that don't quite cut it, this one may just be a winner. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Wrapping it up, I would recommend Philosophy Hope in a Jar Barrier Restore Cream for anyone with dry, sensitive skin in need of some serious hydration and barrier repair. It does exactly what it says it will, soothing, hydrating, and helping to restore your skin's natural defenses. While it may not be for everyone, particularly those with oilier skin or sensitive to certain actives, it's definitely worth considering if you're dealing with dehydrated or irritated skin. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And if you're interested, the link to purchase this cream will be in the description box. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.